Alright, let's get started. So for those of you that aren't familiar, I basically dropped out of my PhD, wanted to pursue entrepreneurial SaaS ambitions, and I've broken that my ambitions down into 3 phases essentially, to before I can start, I guess, successfully selling apps, websites. And so those first 3 phases are essentially like the first part is taking an idea, validating it, and designing sort of like a prototype or mock-up that is then to be developed. So that's the first phase. Second phase is actually developing it and just straight up using what was designed. So that's just programming and all the technical stuff. And the last part is, once you have an app, how do you make sure that that it stands out in the sea of apps, and that people actually use it and like it. So that's marketing, sales, customer support, and anything else that goes in that phase. And so right now I'm in the first phase, and I've broken down the first phase essentially into 3 phases. First, just learning UX UI design. Market research, competitive analysis, is the second phase, and then just wrapping it all up with lean methodology, customer discovery, which I think kind of encapsulates both of these two, but in a way that's lean, that is quick to apply and learn. And so right now I'm learning Figma, and let's see. Yeah, so this first phase itself has like 9 steps. And first is just get a feel for the scope, then learn Figma. Currently I'm like balancing 3 different steps. This one, learn Figma, learn UX fundamentals. But particularly this week, I'm focused a lot on the learning Figma aspect. And so what that looks like is going through a bunch of Figma YouTube videos that I found, and then just following them. So that's part of what we'll do today. That'll be in a separate second video. And then the main thing that we'll actually do today is create the Airbnb app. So I have to clear my throat. So the main reason that I want to go to the app before trying to come back and do some of the more advanced to-dos is because the app is just like an easy work, especially because you can just take a screenshot and then just try to copy it. So I want to speed run that and see if I can finish it like in an hour at least, or at most. And then once I do that, the second part of in the second video today, spend maybe like an hour or two just going through these resources and trying to improve my knowledge. And so once I go through these videos, then want to come back to the app and the website and try to finish up any of the to-dos that that are a little bit more advanced. And some of these I could just easily knock out, such as like the overlays. That's simple. But I wanted to try to group all the advanced topics and make group them all, and then have like resources that are more easy to digest. So it'll make more sense once I make those videos. Yeah, so those are my 3 main goals this week. If I have time, for sure this one. And these 2 are just kind of whenever I have time, if I get to it. So okay, so we know working on the app. Yeah, right. And okay, so let's go here, and actually what I think I'll do is just let's see. So this is, how do I add a new page if I remember? File, new design. No. Oh, Okay, so here's pages. There we go. And here we go, app. This one will rename to website and Airbnb. There we go. And then for the frame, we want to add I want to copy just straight from the screenshots that I took. My iPhone is I might have an older version that no longer. General about iPhone 12 Pro Max, which, let's see, iPhone 12 Pro Max screen size and screen 428 by, it might be the same as the iPhone 14 plus screen size. How do you, I think this is one thing that I'm confused about developing applications, because phones have different screen sizes from generation to generation. So how do you make like a app that can, and you can see here that, well, I mean, they only have these one, so I'm assuming everything else fits into this. So let's do like iPhone screen sizing guide app dev. Let's see if there's something. I don't know what this. So this looks useful. So we have iPhone, but it looks outdated actually. iPhone. Let's not make it too complicated. Pro Max point. It says 428 by 9. So I assume it's this one. And we'll just say this is home because we have these screenshots. Yeah. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, 5. Yeah, and I don't think I clicked on anything that would, I don't think there are any other pages that I want to make. It's only 5. And these 5 are explore, One, two, three, four, five. Explore. Wait. So let's actually switch these. There we go. And then trips. Did I do it again? Explore trips. Oh no, it's just messages and profile. And then from here, just copy. Let's time it. Alright, so we're like at 10 minutes and I just started, so let's see how long it takes me. Right, 428 by, yeah, seems right. So let's have it here. And oh, what did I do? So I want to copy this frame, or let's just do it from scratch. Yeah, let's just do it from scratch. So what we'll do is make a rectangle, or a frame actually. I don't even know when to use one or the other. Let's have it have stroke, and for now we'll remove the fill. Remove fill. And now we can just make sure. Wait. Okay. Wait, is the stroke on? Yeah, the stroke is on the inside. So you just want to make sure that we're not going over where the thingy is, the squircle. Here we do 50. Now we see that fits nicely, so now we can add a fill, remove the stroke, and here we want to add the drop shadow. This is going to be drop shadow. We can change the specifics here, which you can see, I believe, and I'll move it up a little. And here we're not going to change anything there. Blur, let's see, what if we, yeah, so it's evenly distributed around the whole squircle, and I think the only thing is just spreading it out a little bit more. So let's do like, how does 10 look? Maybe it's a little bit too intense, so let's do like 15. It's a little too intense still, I think. 10. I think 10 matches. So let me just move it back. Is this, so we can see it's at, oh, that doesn't help. Let's say frame selection, or let's select both of these. Frame selection. So this tells me it's at 24 by 47. 4 by 47. Okay. So then we just move it here and do again 24 by 47. And all right. Got a little distracted, but we're back. So now what else do we do? So these icons I'll just take straight up from the website, because that was a whole deal. why do I keep going here? Go back to the app. Eventually I do plan to come back to this and oh nice, almost perfectly. But I do plan to come back to this, to the website, and adjust. Sorry, I do plan to come back to the website and organize all of the things there. So remove that element. We'll just have it there, but we're going to actually, no. It's actually here. Right? Let's see. So I think again there's going to be invisible grid lines that we, or just lines that we need to follow. So we'll have a line here, starts here, and keep it straight. We'll have it be black. Let's just make sure it is. It looks good. Yep. And here we'll align it. Well, actually, let me see if I can make this the fill transparent. How do I do that? Oh, there we go. So now I can try to align this. Perfect. And, oh, no, that's not what I want. So this is horizontal gap, horizontal padding, vertical padding. Yeah, so this is what we want. Where is, okay, I'm confused now. Oh, what happened? What was that about? Yeah, this isn't doing what I want it to do. Oh, is it? I see. Okay, so maybe, well, I don't need to align this frame there. It's just a preference. And this I can just fix. This fill is beachfront. Wait. Okay, so let's actually go back. Website, fill. Let's not have any fill. We go back to the app. Yeah, so now we can see everything. And there's some things we need to adjust. So let me just move it out the way actually. Or there, we can do that. Wait, does the app? Yeah, the app has a line, so that's fine. Okay, so what I'm think out loud. What I'm trying to do is just reorganize it first and then squish them a little bit together. Where is lakefront? But the way to oh, okay, if I do that, Yeah, no. I want to do the easy reorganization where you can just pop things. What is this? So I guess all the components. No. So it's going to be all of these, I believe. Right? And then let's see if I try to move lakefront. Nope. There has to be a quick way to do this. And I know by spending time on this, I'm not doing it quickly. Like, I could just manually do it, but I'm also trying to learn. So it makes sense to try to figure this out. So I could do something like frame selection. I don't know if that's... It's Command Shift G. Huh. Okay, so now I got all of those framed. Command Shift G, and then we... Okay, so the one that I wanted to move was lakefront. Nope. Yeah, so these are all frames. There we go. Lakefront. And then amazing pools. And then beachfront. And then Lux. I didn't have Lux. Let me look at this. Lux and then OMG. And then after OMG there's cabins. Amazing views. Tree houses. Tiny homes and mansions. And then play countryside. National parks. Did I? I thought I had national parks. Oh yeah, so I think there's some that I didn't copy. Yeah, because I have a lot of options. So I think this is fine. We'll just use what we have here. And then this. Okay, so the other thing that I wanted to do was... So we know this. Lines up almost perfectly. But then it starts to... Wait. Did I... Right, and then remove the fill. So now within the frame. See, I don't know what to go by because this one seems to align the images best, but then the text is a little off. So let's see if we move this. One. Oh, it says okay. So if we move it up, move it to the right 6, down 1. But this one's, oh, up 2. So this one was 6, up 1. This one was up 2. But this one, oh, 6, up 1. Let's try that because it seems to be working the best. What is happening? This is what we want. It's very hacking. I don't know how I feel about what I did. Let me just go. We can test it out after. So just making sure it ends right there. And then here with this frame, because content's going to be clipped, we will do scrolling horizontal. So now if we play this, oh, so this is 11 and 100. Why? Something I would have wanted to do is just let's figure it out. Let's not just take it for what it is. So my issue that I'm having is I want to make the frame start right there, but it changes everything. So if we do the left, what if we do the right? But everything else is still. If we do the right and the top, then we can adjust it. And now it's centered, right? If we center it, okay, what if we try this? This is Oh, it changes, okay. So let's try it again. So it was here. No, there. Up. So 23 and 100. So we move this here. This is centered, I think. 23 and 100, okay. So now it's centered, which is good. Pleases my, what do you call it? I don't want to say ADD because I'm not diagnosed, but compulsive. My perfectionism. So the next thing, I think this is all one frame. So let's do that. We'll frame this selection, but then we want this, this and this. We want this to be relative to the bottom. No. Left and bottom, left and right. This one, let's do left and right, and the bottom. Thought we said you would not move. But why doesn't that happen here? Oh. Wait. No, they're both frames. That's weird. Why? Can we come back to this? Let's just, okay, forget all this. So instead what I'm just going to do is draw a line. Have it be there. This shall have the drop shadow effect, but we need to zero, and I think it kind of works the way it is, but I do need to change the color. So here we'll just use eyedropper tool, that, and this shall be back. Some weird stuff. Something's a little off about it. I think it was like 15 or 10. Yeah, so the images are a little off. Oh. So is the line though. I think that's fine. Okay, let's add the UI cards. That one I'm just gonna copy as well. So, here, copy and paste this. No, actually we'll make a new one because these are slightly bigger. I want to just be able to copy them. So this detach instance, then we'll make it a component. This will just be called our Airbnb app card. What are we at? 27 minutes so far. So let's overlay this. Hit K. And let's just make sure it is it even aligning right. Yes, top is aligned. Oh, okay, so here the image needs to be, okay, what we should do is scale this until the images are aligned. There's like a sub-pixel difference. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so here's where we can change things. If we just make the image here. Yeah, so now it is perfect. And so the next thing we need to change is these. Actually, let me just copy all of these. Great. And then move this here. We can try to figure it out. Let's do like 16. DX mansion. So here, let's change it down to 1. No. 0. Still not quite. What's happening? Huh. That's a first. -1? Might be the font, but -1 seems to get the closest. And then this one we'll try 16 again. And this will be 0, hosted by Jubilee. And so based on the previous two, this should be 0, 16. Here, let's just say 39. Yeah, I think that's the closest we're gonna get. So we said, well, the first thing to know is wait, so that changes where? Or if we just copy it actually. Frame selection, copy it here. Here, we'll just delete this. Actually, want to add a stroke. So how do we align this? Oh, almost. Oh, just one down. Okay, so that's aligned horizontally. And then should we add the spacing with the card? Yeah, I'm not sure. No, I think we should keep the card tight and then we'll just manually add the spacing. Yeah, so that's fine. And then here, what we do is figure it out manually, which is 39 pixels between elements. So this is the card. How can I do this? Command C. No. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a component that I'm touching. Right? No. Huh. Oh, there is. And then this one I want to so now it's centered. We can move the original one up here and then we can just change this to be title by name. And here we'll just put 0. And we'll just keep the rectangle there for now. And then the other thing to change is no stroke. So that's good. And what we're gonna do is gonna have to copy this for over 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13, 13, 17, plus 3 is 20. So 20 of them. 20, 20, 20. How should I do this? Wait, how does the website look? No, actually not 20. We'll just have to do the 13 first, and then past experiences is what follows after. Okay, so let's go here and just stretch it, I guess. No, wait. Ah, perfect. Now these should be from the top. Mix left and right. If I $39, right? 39, yep. So then Command D. Oh, I can't. Command D. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. No, yeah, I'll just do all of them. Just 20, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we come here, click content. Oh, I see what's happened next. So all of these are part of Explore. And now we can delete this little rectangle, which should delete them there. And then the other thing. So adjusting these little circles. Okay, actually let me make a frame first that I think all of these would fit in, and yeah, that's perfect. Flips, okay, I don't see it. Ellipse. Perfect. And this would be white with no transparency. And then we can copy this. And then Command D, Command D, Command D. And not to worry about the other ones. So then what we do here is reduce the other ones by 50. Maybe 75. Yeah. 75. Oh, what was that? layer. And then these will do 75 as well, and then adjusted sizes. 75. Coming back here, that one is fine. This one I think needs to be like over 1, so 0.5, down 1? No, 0.5 I guess. Oh, 0.5. Same thing for this one. This one we need to reduce in size. So I'll link it, go down to 5, no. Go down to 4. And boom. So we copy this, can delete this one. Delete this, paste. Oh, actually one thing to consider was, let me make a frame for this. And actually, none of that, but we do want stroke. So this is rectangle. I want this to be within there. Perfect. So now we know it's 50 by 6. And this should be here. Wait. Oh, I see. And it's not quite centered. But that's just how it was on the card. 12 and 164 by 166. Down. 1. Huh. 64 by 166. Mine's slightly uneven, or slightly larger, but I think that is fine. Yeah, it actually looks like it's lining up. What's left? Oh, the other thing. Yeah, that's perfect. And then this one, I think there's some transparency to it. 75. Is there transparency? Maybe slightly. So let's do like 80. 85. Yeah, that's better. And this is just slightly bigger. Nope. What was that? Why does this change? If I change this to be 8, would that work? Yeah, perfect. So now we just copy, or no, copy it. And I should have kept the frame on this picture. So it's 16 pixels from the top. What is... $16 and 1, 2, 3, 16, 16. And actually the transparency is a little too much. Pass through, fill. That's better. And oh, so let's try to finish this actually. Kind of jumping all over the place. So I want this icon. Why do I keep falling for that every time? Go here, want it in black. And I should actually measure it first, so okay, I think it's gonna be 18 by 18. Maybe one more. Yeah. Right? Or maybe one more. Yeah, that's what we want. So let's just write everything else while we're here. Here we can just copy these text boxes. What do we need? Yeah, these 2 boxes. Let's just do 3 in case we need them. Where to? Question mark. So that's here. Something like that. And it's about the same size. I don't know if... Yeah, maybe 15 is a better fit. This is probably going to be like 14. And... anywhere, something. It's gonna be like a period, actually. And I think it's even smaller, so like let's say like 12. It is 12, but it's... yeah, there we go. And then this let's have that be a period. And this period's gonna be Yeah, so it's 8.5 and then up. Wait, up or down? Boom. There we go. And then copy this. Add guest. Make it slightly bigger. And then we just, how can we, oh, there we go. Frame selection. And then same thing, just seeing how far apart it is from this. $20 pixels. By 18. 20 by 18. I thought these were all framed. Not what we wanted. Wait. I'm confused on what I did. Okay, so let's frame this. This is what we wanted to frame. And we said 20 by 18. So that's there, but what about the top? So 2. Yeah, so that's what we wanted. I think the blur is actually a little bit further spread. No, wait. Blur 20. Yeah, and maybe just slightly darker. Yep. And what else? Oh, and then the nav. So we're at like 50 minutes. What else do we have to do? Yeah, so these are very similar. Profile. Oh, no, profile. Oh, yeah. This could be like a UI card almost. Everything has a little icon and the text. This is all part of profile. Messages is pretty quick. It might take a while, like 1 or 2 more hours, maybe. Okay, so let's start working on this. And when we have this, we want to add a stroke, but the stroke is only at the top, and this should be the same color as, oh, it's blocking. This should be the same color as this, which is good. And I wonder how we'll do these other things. Oh, here. So why? And then we just need to, nope. Oh, here we go. Oh, I see. So I don't want it. How can I do this? I don't want it to grow, I just want the no, okay. Center. Or no. We'll do keep it from the left, keep it from the top, and then we should be able to adjust this box. Perfect. And now we can double click on this and have it grow. So the one thing again is just make the box a little bit bigger. There we go. And then I think that little issue that oh wait, might just be it's too slight of a difference. No need to spend more than a minute on it. So this is fine. Nope. Wait, what's this? Why does it have its own frame? Delete. And oh wait, was it? Oops, what did I do? Oh, I see what it might have been. There we go. Yeah, it was this rectangle. But it did make it look weird. Like, I'm pretty sure there's another box surrounding it that threw me off. So this has no fill. I'll add the fill afterwards. I can do that later. Why do I do this? Yeah, those are fine. Okay. Copy it. Command C, paste. Explore. Same fill as this one, and this will probably be like a 13, not 12. And then let's check it. So no, first actually what I want is auto width. Yes, no, that's tight. And what do we see? Oh, maybe even a little bit smaller. 10? No, not quite. Yeah, so because the image is slightly off right to the right and the text is slightly to the right, having these two be where they are makes will make up for the misalignment, I guess. And how do I do these though? So I know on the website we had the logo. So we have this. This can go back here. And what we'll do, scale it down. And have it be I know. I think I know. So we get a rectangle of the same size. And this, the fill, have it be this color. This placed over that. And then this, and then we do a mask, right? Use mask. Boom. And wait, so what? How's it? Oh. Wait. Mask group. What's? Okay, I don't know what that's about, but boom. Now we can. Is it flying? Nope. Bad idea. We'll just leave it like that. Wish list. And make the color this color. And then here actually we want, I guess, even no 10. There, that works. Then we do it again. Trips. And again. Messages. And again. Profile. And now we just need 3 icons. Okay, so we have everything except this nav. And what can I do about it? So I think what I'll do is just search community. Search UI kit icons. Is that the right? Maybe here. Open in Figma. Nope. Icon. And then let's see if we can do like popular. Let's see what this has. Oh, so we'll replace the other icon with this one. Is that it? Icons, avatars, styles. Wait, let's see if, because this is, no, well, I mean, Airbnb is not platform specific. Or was it icons? Shift 1. And so they have a heart as well. Perfect. So I mean, I'm all over the place. Copy the heart, place it here, paste it here, and this we want to detach instance and move it down, which is good. And then for break this, whatever that was, and this should be that color. So now we just need messages and profile. Messages right here. Actually, what I think I can do is draw a rectangle, have it have no fill, but it does have stroke. The stroke is this color. Have it right here, right there, I guess. Well, it would be right there, and then this, I guess, will just be right there. So it'll be slightly offsided, like everything else in this. Oh, and then the other thing was this. We want like 5. No, wait. Why did I say 2? 5. I think that should work. And then the other thing is here. How do I know? I saw this somewhere. Oh, I think I know. How do I... Okay, this rectangle and this polygon do flip horizontal vertically and reduce the size. Why isn't it framed though? Wait, so where's my rectangle? So I guess it's even. Doesn't look like it, but fill, we'll just add the fill again. We'll just have everything be this color. This will be this color as well. And then we union them, and then we have remove the fill, add the stroke. Stroke is this color. Okay, so that worked. And then the last one was profiles, which is, we'll do this one. Paste, and then we have to just detach it. Make sure it aligns. Okay. And then, yeah, I think that's fine. It's just off like everything else, but it's all good. This, we want to break it, break the connection, go here, just make sure it's the same color. And now we can just copy this. Well, if we hit click that, it should, oh no, it doesn't. Don't know why. Okay, and now this will be, what am I looking for? Fill. That color. And this, I actually want to make a component. So I just move this off. What are you doing? Isn't it already framed? Why is it acting like this? Frame 2, what's this? Oh, okay. Oh, I see what happened. So we'll just have to move that there. Nav. And then this, what we want is for it to be bottom center, prototype, fixed, stay in place. So now if we prototype this, why isn't it, what did I do? Overflow vertical. Great. And is that what happens on the app though? I think this always stays there. Yeah, that always stays there. Wait, but does it change? No, it doesn't change at all. Oh, so I do have to add a frame around this. Oh, but I don't, okay, it doesn't have to, so I can just make it so that it's center, and from the top, prototype, stay in place. Wait, why does it look like that now? Oh, is this not? Okay, what are we doing? What is going on? Close this. Bottom nav is its own. Fixed. Wait. So this will say top nav. So this should be part of top nav. There we go. Now, wait. This we said. Oh, fixed. There we go. I see why we need this to be actually. No. Oh, okay. So add this to. What am I doing? Top nav, is everything there? Yeah, so everything's there. If I just color it white, first of all, then I should see that there, but then that has other issues. So this. If we say that, and then if we do here and here, let's say left and right, top and bottom. Why does it? Okay, so that isn't working. Let's do just the bottom. And leave that there. So that works part of the way. This, what if we do, I don't know, bottom. Oh, that, okay, that's, for the first time that seemed to work. Bottom. Okay, so that fixes that issue. Now this is the next issue. So this, if we say from the, okay, this is gonna be a pain. So we just do left, everything else will be left, expand the right, and then, you see where I'm going with this? This and this, we do right. Because I'm pretty sure I've tried doing left and right earlier and that wasn't working. Boom. Oh. Okay. So that's one slight issue we should fix. Wait, so let's see. We go here. We're not clipping content. So this specific one, what we can do is maybe detach instance, this, and then vertical padding from the bottom. We'll just say, I don't know, 39. But it's not necessarily what we want. This is 91 in height. So what does it look like on the map? So from the bottom of the nav, there's still like 39. So it should be 91 plus 39. What can we do? If we do make it this long, $91 plus 39, 130. That's good enough. Yep, that's what we want. Looks good. Now we can do just quickly, because I think I might have to get to this tomorrow. I try to section my days so I can work on everything that I have, and over time I achieve everything that I want to do. But let's just connect everything. So here's how we should do it actually. So this, if we go to prototype and actually let's go here, here, frame selection, here, here, frame selection. Okay, and go to prototype. This, right? Should go to explore, navigate to, on tap, yep, and wish list should go to wish list, on tap, an instant. This will go to trips. Messages will go to messages, and profile is gonna go to profile. And I wonder if that those connection, oh cool, okay. So now what that looks like, if we go here, go, oh, cause okay, so that's just the frame, I see. And then if we go here, that goes there. So let's actually copy this over. Yep, and then okay, so now if we go here, so you can't see anything, but it's going through all the different pages and you can scroll. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna finish up wish lists, trips, messages, profile, and then go through and just add all the pictures. Yeah, and then this would be for a more advanced, once I go through all the videos on YouTube. And then the other thing, actually, yeah, I need to change the colors, so I can do that tomorrow. Alright, that'll be the video for today. Tune in for the second one, where I'm just going to go through a bunch of resources you can learn with me. Yeah.